Shall we begin?
This is not a paid promotion. I repeat, I'm not getting paid for this promotion. I'm just a mother shamelessly promoting her son's business. Looking for a way to update those old sneakers? Need to match those boring old pumps with your new fly fit? Bump those boots up to bussin'. Don't be late. Be just in time for customs. Just in time for customs will have your old footwear looking fly in no time. Remember, don't be late. Be just in time. Just in time for customs. And don't forget to tell them the lovely black butterfly sent you. Lovely black butterfly, spreading my wings. Hello, YouTube. I'm out of breath. Trying to get all this together. But hello, YouTube. Lovely Black Butterfly here for another mukbang. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you to the Butterfly's Nest. But if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscription button. And then click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. Today is Taco Tuesday, and we are doing a taco salad. Now, I know you just saw me make a beautiful salad. And you would think, okay, that's just a salad. But we are going to add this beautiful taco meat to it. And then I also have 3 tacos here. I don't know how many of the 3 I'm going to eat. And today, for my cocktail, I'm doing what I call a Mexican do. And what is a Mexican do, you may ask? And as you see, I'm obviously putting it in my regular drinking cup. So, what a Mexican do is Mountain Dew and tequila. Jesus Christ, come on. It's not like there's a brand new bottle of tequila. My strength is just totally gone. I ain't even measuring. I'm just pouring. Because it's just a way to drink alcohol. Oh my God. So refreshing. So now that we have our Mexican Jew, we are going to turn this simple salad into a taco salad. Nacho salad, taco salad, whatever you want to call it. That's what we finna make it. Top that bad boy with some ground beef. And some shredded cheese. And please don't let that slide. If my charging cable slides off this table, because this jar was holding it in place, then we're going to have a topsy-turvy turn of events on my camera. So let's hope I can get back to get this done. So we got some salsa. And we got some sour cream. And we got some homemade guacamole. And again, this is my quick guacamole made from the avocados I received in my Misfits Market box. And then, of course, we have our tortilla chips. As to not crowd my table, so we don't have accidents. This is something that needs to stay. Let's see. I don't need you on the table. We don't have accidents like I had the last Taco Tuesday. What the hell? Where'd they go? Anyway. Okay. Let's start this. And I'm going to give you guys the first bite. Too much. Too much going on. Too much. Too much going on. Okay. So now that taco is built, oh, no. No. I literally almost choked to death twice eating hard tacos. And I swear each time I do a Taco Tuesday, I say, or no, I take that back. Every time I almost choke on a hard taco shell. And I say the next time I'm going to go to soft tacos. I just can't do it. I'm sorry. To me, and this is just my preference, I know there are many who will dispute that, but to me, it's not a taco unless it's in a corn taco shell. Hopefully, and it seems to be that I have actually successfully baked these to the right amount of crispness. I won't be choking on it. And needless to say, I'm going to try my best to make sure I thoroughly chew every bite. Yeah, this taco's so good. Oh. Mm-hmm. It is so damn good. Mm, mm. You know what I'm gonna do? That's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah. There you go. Just stuff the taco with the salad. Why not? Mm, 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 mm. Uh, 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 uh. I had another piece of taco shell just go sliding down my throat. Wasn't as bad as the last time, but good God. It really does look like I'm going to have to give up on my hard tacos. And I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to eat careful. Oh, excuse me. I'm trying to make sure I chew everything. I heated my tacos to the point. Look at them. They darn near almost burnt. So I know they heated carefully. Why do taco shells just don't want... I just want to slide down my throat. And y'all, I was about to talk about something deadly serious. And that happened. Oh. I want you guys to continue to be careful. I know everyone wants to go out and vote. But I beg all of you, wear your mask, wear your gloves, keep a safe distance, because this third wave of COVID-19 is spreading. I can tell by the number of calls that I'm taking of people needing to take leave from work because they have either tested positive, they have been in contact with someone who has tested positive, or they have symptoms. It's hitting hard again. So please, I urge all of you, please be careful when you go out of your homes, when you go to these polling stations to vote. I hope the majority of you did decide to vote via absentee ballot. But if you did not, please, wear your mask, wear your gloves, and vote this administration out of office. He doesn't care. You know, he claimed to have contracted COVID. I doubt that very seriously. Even though they claim they gave him all sorts of drugs, I don't believe the man. I believe it's fake news, but I can't prove it. This is just my beliefs. This is just my opinion. And opinions are like assholes. Everybody has one, and they're usually full of shit. However, I do not believe, again, my opinion, that this man had COVID-19. I do believe there are those in his administration, in the White House, who have. But him having it, I believe, is another one of his lies. Another thing that I believe is that all of them have stock in some pharmaceutical company that's going to come up with some type of vaccine to rid us of the coronavirus. I ain't taking no vaccine. You ain't gonna turn me into no zombie. I told y'all I was gonna wait for outside 2.0. Every time a new phone come out, y'all jump on it, get that new phone, run with it. Then when the phone burn up in your pocketbook and your pockets, then you want to blame the phone. You didn't wait for them to test it out. Well, that's what I did. Oh, that's what I always do. I never buy the latest and greatest phone. I wait till it's done been out for about a year or two until they come out with the 2.0. Then I might buy the phone. I might even wait for the 3.0. Well, that's what I did with outside. As soon as they opened up outside, y'all was gone. I'll wait for outside 2021. You know. We might even need to wait for outside 2022. Because outside 2021 ain't looking too responsive. All right. Chance to get off my feet. I done got to my full point. I done got to my full point. Seriously. But this taco salad is so good. I really don't want to stop eating. But I can't eat another bite if I tried. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for stopping by the Butterfly's Nest. Please come back and see me. But if you haven't subscribed, what the heck are you waiting on? Go ahead and click that subscription button right down there. Oops. It's right there. Click it. Make that red subscribe button turn gray. Excuse me. And then click that click that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't. Leave me a comment down below. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Again, go out and vote. Make sure you wear your mask. Make sure you wear your gloves. Make sure you keep a safe distance. And until next time, stay safe. Until next time, lovely black butterfly, spreading my wings.
You